Hi, my name is Cadence, and you know how the garbage vans take the trash away like this, something round? Well, whenever you cut something, like when you cut something round from this, or something like something else, you can cut them like that so the birds don't get stuck by already cut it. Well,
and tell them you got to throw them away when you're done.
You have
cut them first.
You have to cut them first and throw them away when you're done.
Why are we cutting them again?
Because the birds will get stuck and they can't get out and they can't breathe.
Yeah, that's right.
And they'll be
so
dead.
We cut all of them up, right?
Because I was just organizing all the Cokes and Gatorades.
Yeah.
Like these and Gatorades. And I was just putting stuff away and then thank you for watching my show and saving the earth when you cut these. When you save the earth, that means you're cutting these so the birds will not be choked by the body. And thank you for watching my show, Cadence.